Manually charging a customer in Stripe allows you to process one-time payments outside of automated billing. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Stripe dashboard. Go to dashboard.stripe.com and log into your account. Access the customer section. On the left sidebar, click Payments, Create Payment. If the customer already exists, select Customers and choose the customer you want to charge. If not, you can create a new customer. Create a manual payment. Click plus new payment on the top right corner. Enter the amount and select the currency. Choose the payment method or manually add the customer's card information. Add payment details. Include a description to clarify the reason for the charge. Optionally, include metadata for internal tracking. Confirm and process payment. Click Submit Payment to process the charge. Once successful, you will see a confirmation, and Stripe will send a receipt if the option is enabled. Review transaction. Go to Payments to view and track the completed charge.